Thousands of court cases possibly in jeopardy. Employees saying conditions at the state's toxicology laboratory putting evidence at risk. 7 News reporter Amanda Kost always investigating, asking tough questions about the implications. Amanda?
And this 43-page report outlines the allegations against the lab and the supervisor, including blood and urine samples that were kept in an unlocked refrigerator, inadequate training for those who were handling the samples, and a supervisor who was used as an expert witness they say was biased.
This 7 News video and interview are from March of last year, the first public sign of potential problems with the state health toxicology lab. More than 1,000 vials were retested after a defendant's private lab got a result far different than the state lab, a discrepancy blamed on human error that analyst terminated. And at the time, the head of State Lab Services told 7 News.
He was trained properly by a certified analyst.
But that training called into question in this workplace investigation conducted by the Mountain States Employers Council, concluding that blood alcohol training protocols are inadequate. Refrigerators used to store blood and urine samples were not locked, and a female supervisor assigned work for her thesis to state lab employees while they were on the clock. The report completed with the date March 18th this year. These defense attorneys receiving it in June.
During that period of time, hundreds of people have gone through our court system without any knowledge that there were these problems in the lab and without knowing that the evidence in their case could be compromised and even potentially tampered with.
When you knew about those potential issues, why the delay in going public with them?
Because I think the best way to handle the issues is to deal with them directly.
You can see here the list of just some of the district attorneys who received a letter from the state AG, Attorney General, including this report. Now, since March, when the report was first completed, that supervisor was removed from her leadership position. Just last month, she retired. Now, since then as well, we checked, and the state health department has started to lock those refrigerators that store those blood and urine samples used for testing in those court cases. Reporting live, Amanda Kost, 7 News.